Copy music.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas episode 3. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl for more videos, and make sure to watch episode 1 and 2 of Vlogmas as well, okay? I just got back from getting my nails done. Just look how cute they are. Very much on theme with the green. Look how cute this one is, the Rudolph one. So cute. If you live in New York and you don't mind traveling to the Bronx, or if you live in the Bronx, make sure to check my girl Kayla. She is by far the best nail tech I have ever had, ever. She is so sweet, so nice, professional, and like, I don't know about y'all, but like, I love having like a good kiki with like my nail tech, my eyebrow tech, somebody, whoever's doing my hair. I don't have a hair tech, you know? So like, whoever is doing a service, I love to have a good key with them, because it's like you're spending a good hour or two, depending on the service, with this person, and you know, you kind of want to feel their vibe, you know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day, you're still exchanging energies regardless if you're dead silent or having like a good conversation. And like, I feel that with Kayla. Like, I feel such a nice connection with her. Like, she's just such a vibe. The same thing with my eyebrow tech. Hopefully, sorry, the ambulance, y'all. Hopefully later on throughout the week, I will be getting my eyebrows done. Same thing with her. She is such a vibe, and just such like, just light, just a breath of fresh air to be around. But I don't know, like, I feel like if you're gonna be getting these services and you're gonna be spending all this money on, you know, your eyebrows, your hair, your nails, like, I feel like you're also investing in like the people you're spending your time with, you know? Like, I feel like that's just as important, to have some type of like connection. Even if it's something, like I said, you don't even have to have a full conversation with these people, like, but still have that like understanding and that vibe with someone. I feel like it's very important, you know? Those people that are providing the services have to be like, I don't know, they have to give me a good energy. Like, I just can't go anywhere. I don't care if you are the best nail tech in the world. If I don't like your vibe, I'm not giving you my money. Like, I don't care. Like, I come for a service. Like, I come to get my nails done. The ambiance has to be decent. Your energy has to be decent. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But like I said, I will not give you my money if you got a shitty attitude. I don't care if you're the best nail tech in the world or the best whatever in the world. If your attitude is poo and your vibe is just all wrong, and you're in that line of business for the wrong reasons, because you have to love what you do. And I think that's why I vibe so much with these people, because you can genuinely tell, like, they enjoy these services, you know? So, like, I'm not giving you my money if the vibes is not vibing. But I say all that to say I love my nails. Ooh, just look how cute they are. I freaking love them. Like I said, we be kikiing. She be letting me record my content, and I love that for me. I love that for us. So like I said, I'm back home, and we are going to start decorating the bar cart. That's the last thing that needs to be decorated, I think, to complete everything. And obviously I'm gonna let you guys, you know, watch me decorate that. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so this is what I have so far. Like I said, I bought these, what are they called? Room in Bloom. Focus. I don't want to focus, y'all. There we go. So I bought these Room in Bloom, like pine cones, and they have like a scent to it. It smells really good, very Christmassy. I had these lights from like, I think like 2 or 3 years ago, that I bought. And then I also bought this like a year ago, I believe. And this is what I bought from At Home this year. So I think I'm gonna order more of these lights and put one here, just so it could be like this whole like light show looking thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the bottom of the bar cart. I have some ideas, but ooh, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Let me turn off the light so you guys can see it better. Like, look how cute. Okay, let me turn off this light too. Like, look how nice it looks already. Let me zoom in. So cute. I love it already. But yes, you can see like we need to bring this to life in some way, you know? And then I don't think I'm gonna leave this plain. And like I said, I have another idea for the rest of the bar cart. I'm gonna see if that works, but if not, then I think the top looks great. And yeah, once I get this light going, I think it will be perfect. I'm excited, and it smells good. Did I mention that it smells good? Guys, like these things here, these pine cones, like they smell so good. But yeah, so once the lights come, we'll get back to that, but this is what it looks like so far. I'm happy. And so yeah, this is cute. I dig this. So I'm gonna go freshen up and call it a night. It's very late. It's almost 12 in the morning. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey loves, it's been a few days later, I'm not gonna lie. I'm currently getting ready to go to my cousin's white elephant party. Everybody has to like get like a $10 gift and like exchange it. I really don't know how like that whole process works. I've never been to one, so I'm excited. And I was supposed to vlog getting like an ugly sweater, and I did not. So sorry y'all, I have my eye patches on. I just started trying these. They're from Tropical. They're cool, they decent. But yeah, so I'm getting ready for that, and I want to show you guys my ugly cute sweater. So this is my ugly sweater. Well, it's a button up, it's like a cardigan. I bought this from Primark in Brooklyn. Isn't she adorable? I gotta take the tag out. And I bought one for my sister. Let me go grab it so y'all can see. It's me running in the night trying to grab my freaking heels. All right, I got it from Primark. I've never been to Primark before. Like, this is my sister's sweater. It's so adorable. This one cost $18. Super, super, super cute. And then mine cost $20. So put it on so y'all could see the vibes, you know? Isn't she cute? I think she cute. So yeah, like, and then I wanted to get like a button up because like being in somebody's house with a thick ass sweater all day, nah. I need something that I could just, which is why I'm wearing this like bodysuit, so I don't have to worry about getting like a tank top or anything like that. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I'm trying to rush and it's hot. But yeah, y'all, so my sister's supposed to pick me up in an hour. So I have to get ready, finish getting ready, and you know, I'll vlog once I'm in the car with my sister, or once we get to my cousin's house, then I'll start vlogging then. We gonna see, but I'ma holla at y'all later. Bye. That's my sister. Say hello. Hi. Okay, we are at Walmart, and we have to find a gift. Oh no, there's too many people. Let me turn this way. We have to find a gift that's $10, right? But you know, we can't. Huh?
That sounds like water.
Oh, she's on the phone. But knowing us, we can't just spend $10. So I found this. Oh shoot. This wine opener is about like $16 or $20. I don't know what we could find that's like $10. So we're trying to find something for my sister right now. She explained to me what a white elephant is. Basically, everybody has to have a gift and like you exchange it, and then basically you're supposed to exchange to the best gift. I'm pretty sure my cousin's gonna explain it better. You gonna get the water bottle? Okay.
But I'm gonna get mine. Or should I go with that one?
No, I don't think you should go with that one.
Go for this one?
I think you should go with the white. Yeah. You're welcome. Okay. All right, so we did it.
Am I gonna end up with this that one?
No. Oh, that's right. You can't end up with that because you already have it. Exactly. So you gotta work hard.
Exactly. Yeah, no. It would probably be in the front, right?
Yeah, when we checking out.
Why'd you stop it?
I didn't. I'm still recording.
Oh, right here. This one. Sorry, there are a bunch of them.
Oh, a gift bag.
Yeah.
I forgot.
You're gonna be in something.
I thought, girl, here you go. That's mad ghetto. Let me not think. Oh, this is cute.
It is.
It's a Zwoola, and it fit. What is it?
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
So we went to go get some wine right now. Well, my sister. She went to the liquor store to buy some wine, and then we'll be on our way. But again, somebody is going to win a wine opener set. It's so cute. I hope nobody sees me recording. It's so cute. And then I got this green bag. It's glittery and it's annoying, but still cute. Hopefully it fits. Oh, it does. Perfect. Damn, we didn't even need to. Well, it's fine. Perfect. And it matches my nails. And then my sister got, let me grab what she got right here. Oh, let me not grab it. I can't reach it, y'all. But she got this like kind of like a Stanley cup thing. I think it's called Smart House or something smart. Let me see if I can reach it again. Let me take off my seatbelt, right? Because we're not driving right now. Child. She got someone. Oh, the Simple Modern cup in white. It's so cute. It holds cold and hot drinks. So, I'm looking around, child. But anyway. But yeah, so I don't know if y'all heard me in the store, but basically basically, you're supposed to like exchange gifts, and then I guess you're supposed to like convince someone. I'm gonna wait till my sister comes so she can explain it better. But and I'm pretty sure my cousin's gonna have to explain it because we don't know. Ooh, we got the goods.
I didn't get wine. I got prosecco.
I love prosecco. Explain to the vlog what a white elephant is because I was doing it wrong.
I have no idea.
Okay, well, never mind. Our cousin Jasmine will explain better then. But you know, this is your first time doing a white elephant.
We can always Google it.
I don't want to Google it. I'm gonna wait till Jasmine to explain. Now we're leaving, guys. We're going. Okay.
It's almost like a charades.
I have heads up.
But you can't say like
let's do heads
the
up.
word or the words underneath.
Yeah. Let's do heads up first.
Are you sure? Cause
Yes.
I could put the two.
we have different categories. Okay.
You're a sponsor for it?
Yes. I paid 99 cents for each category.
Wow.
Wow, yes. They're a little expensive, you know. I got it on a sale. They have an adult one. So yeah,
No,
you
I don't
pick
see no
up.
kids here.
We have to be in group in order to play.
I thought he told me he was gonna do one.
Huh?
I thought he told me he was gonna do one. I could.
I'm stopping.
Yes.
I'm telling you, I'm good at this shit. All right.
Okay, that's a hug.
It's in the Sahara Desert. Yes.
There you go.
We are
All
a
right.
family.
It's not a duck, it's a...
If it's mother, what's the other one? There you go. All right, it's an animal that have wild and they're dangerous.
No, campground.
The color is the brown.
Elephant Gift Exchange is a popular Christmas event where people vie to walk away with the best presents. Each player brings one wrap gift. Raise your hand if you brought one wrap gift so I can know who's participating. Perfect.
Do I want to open it or do I want to see them?
My baby wants to hold it.
But I'm not going to get you, Gabby. This was heavy.
Oh, give me a good one.
Don't feel it.
If it's a good one, don't feel it.
Yes, liquor, my favorite. How did you know? Don't steal it. I want it.
What is it?
It's liquor.
That's the sample pack.
What is it?
Cocktails.
That's cute. That's real cute.
Yes.
I didn't know there was something like
Oh
that.
wow, right? Don't feel it. Don't feel it.
Me lo robo.
Yeah, let it go. Yeah.